So tight in here.
You doing it?
It just curves up right down. Pretty steep.
There it is.
All right.
Made it to the top.
Check it out.
Here we are. We're here. Made it. This is the top of the church, and it's a huge. Oh, this must be part of a dome, right here. You think?
That was some serious.
You're gonna take a shot of you, dude.
God loves this man. Just loves this IT stuff. Yeah. Looks good. There's nothing we can do about it.
Dude.
They should know.
This structure right here.
Hi, I'm Steve Slattery. We're here at the Gogol Museum, where we've just been bored out of our skulls. This guy Gogol, he's a real Renaissance man, one of the biggest figures in Ukrainian history, but no one's ever heard of him outside of Ukraine. And you know what? You're not missing anything. Guys, his hair's too long, his nose is too big, and he looks really funny sitting here in the middle of this park. But other than that, he's a really nice guy. Thanks for listening. That's a lovely photograph, you know? Hi, this is our friend Serge Ustinov. He's a good Ukrainian dude, and he's really far out. He reminds me of a lot of Californians, and he's way cool. Are you having a groovy time here in Ukraine as a student? Yeah. Yeah, he says yeah. So speak some Ukrainian to your American audience.
Привет, ребят.
Oh, may I speak Russian? Yeah.
Yeah.
Or whatever.
Oh. Здравствуйте, ребята. Мы рады, что к нам приехали хоть группа американцев. Мы рады здесь видеть вас. Я счастлив, что я могу так разговаривать с американскими людьми. Thank you.
He just said he thinks the California babes are really cool. And I have to translate for you because the audience doesn't understand. So he's been my tour guide through Artesian, and he's a really nice guy. And you guys are really sorry that you don't have a chance to meet him because he's really nice. So thanks for being on TV.
Thank you.
Ciao.
Goodbye.
It's like that chicken farm. I'd be so mad. I'll jump in this river. Get down. Life over there?
Дайте другу камеру.
А скажи, які ми з тобою набагато разом.
Пойди попитай, по чому кіло.
I've never been here before. I mean, on Saturday. It's pretty crowded.
Shall we come over here?
Та які ж ви готувати, як ви?
Come on, Steve. Go ahead. Try it on for the camera.
Oh yeah, it's very warm. A little small, but I think it's gonna
Look
work.
at it. I think it's the women. I think they're laughing.
But I think I'm gonna take it off. It's okay. It feels very warm. Quick.
It's for kids.
Wait, it's only.
Yeah, you wear what keeps you warm, right?
Откуда приехали?
British band. And Cure. Oh, the Cure. I like the Cure. Cure.
I can hear people calling us Americans. Hey, you don't understand already.
Hey, Bogdan.
Корико не ложить без нічого. Нема?
What's going on?
Do you want to buy a bicycle for you?
Look at it. Oh, like tourists.
Taking picture of crowd of people here.
Yeah. Very nice.
Не може греться, да? Похоже.
Yeah, this goes all the way up.
Dude, I don't know if you want to go up there.
It's people have traveled up here before. This is the.
Go.
Okay, I'm at the top of the bell tower of some Russian Orthodox church. And, what? It's not Russian Orthodox. It's a very reliable source. It's not a Russian Orthodox church. It's Ukrainian. Oh, Catholic. Is it okay for Protestants to be in a Catholic church? Because, you know, it doesn't say do not enter or anything like that. So we thought we would come out and see what it's like. And it's quite a thrill, as you can see.
Somebody's gone to the bathroom over the edge here. And I'm digging from that stuff there. I don't know what that is. It looks like human excrement. Yeah, it's quite fun. And if you're ever in the area, try it. It's quite choice. Well, Jim, I'm gonna climb back down because this is the end.
Later.
See ya.
Hey, Cindy.
She's giving me a background.
Hi. What's going on?
We're riding down the escalator.
Killer. Hey, Anna. Hey, Steve.
Hi, how you doing?
Lauren.
Hey.
Lauren, do you want to show off your gum exercises in the back of the air for us?
I don't know if people would understand it here, but I could always give it a shot.
So what's going on?
Right now, we're going to have to fight to get on the metro, because people have no mercy here. It's tooth and nail.
Here it comes.
445 right here again. Get back.
So, is it possible for us to see the Iron Maiden and be back here by 4:45?
Tomorrow morning, we have an excursion by bus. We'll stop.
Hey, Steve. Hey, Steve. How you doing?
Hi, I'm Steve Slattery. I'm on assignment in Kiev. I'm here checking out Kiev for all you university people.
And
Yeah.
what about you,
This is my brother, Tiny.
Tiny?
He's a really cool guy. You should get to know him.
What do you think of this place, Tiny?
What do you think of Kiev? It's cool. He says it's cool. He looks like he's from California. Shut up.
I'm from California.
Groovy.
Awesome. Ruby, 2 thumbs up.
3 thumbs up.
3 thumbs up.
4. 12 thumbs.
Hey.
Plum. Orange. Yeah.
Hey, you.
Bogdan, you want to explain to me what this is?
Government building.
Government building, that's all. It's a pretty nice government building.
Eating the government building.
Our politicians usually have negotiations.
Wow, no way, that's pretty cool. On. What do you think of Kiev?
Chibok, this is the place to be, man. Yeah.
How do you like it?
Really neat. I like it. A lot of things to see. A lot of differences for our culture, which is great. I like it. And the people, it's really neat. I like it.
Cool.
What's yourself, Jim?
I thought it was pretty cool. Lauren, how you doing, bud? Going all right. Just checking out Kiev.
Yeah.
Seeing how things are going.
Camera first.
Something wrong with it?
Well, I've taken about 60 pictures and I don't know how to operate it yet. So I hope they come out.
Cool. Any last words, Star?
No, just kind of getting a little tired, but that's all right.
All right. On to the boat, huh?
Onto the boat.
All right. Later.
All right.
Bogdan, how you doing?
He wants his pen, he won't give it back to me. I'm trying to do my journal.
What's going on?
Jim, I want to shoot. Yeah, okay.
Thank you, Bogdan. That was wonderful.
Let me come.
Hey, dude. How you doing? Killer. Hey, dude.
Any kind of mineral you can get here in Kiev. Name your mineral, you promise.
Is it the real thing? It's more than the real thing.
Most healthy mineral water you can get. Boba. Cheers.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get pictures of you guys before you